The Genyen Lhakhang in Phulari, being built upon the royal command of His Majesty The King, commenced construction in June 2025. It is modelled after the Druk in Thimphu and will be a cornerstone among the sacred landmarks to bless the Gelephu Mindfulness City. Meanwhile, on the third day of the ongoing 5th volunteer program, the volunteers divided into 28 teams worked at 7 work sites across GMC. Their Majesties joined those working at the Central Park, a 35.5-acre designated park near Gelephu town, to plant trees. "108 flowering trees were planted, selected, so the park has blossoming trees throughout the year. On the other sites, volunteers continued working on the enrichment of the elephant corridors and clearing land near landmark sites. Sonam Pem for BBS News.